Indices erased yesterday all the gains which we had seen after the Fed. Now again trading flat with the same levels where we had left before Fed. Now US 30 at 32,970 and US 100 12,830 levels. What is going to happen today in US 100, US 30? Germany 40 and FTSE 100. See, Germany 40 trading again below crucial levels 13,800, which is going to be critical support. Below that, we may see a sharper fall, but we are going to look here again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now, look at Tech 100 here. Now this is a 2-hour chart for Tech 100 sloping downwards, and yes, if you see it trading above 12,900, here you can go long at 12,900, going to be towards 13,050, 13,100. In fact, these levels can be seen. However, look at this, it has achieved lower lows, and I think if it continues to trade bearish, we may see 12,700, 650 zone soon. But let's have a look at the indicators. Indicators on the 2-hour charts. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD is wide and divergent, trying to converge. Couple of green candles cannot be denied, and RSI near to bottom here. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, lower highs is what we can see here. And yes, if you see it trading about 12,900, one can go long there. 13,040, 13,150 and 13,200 can be achieved, and in fact it can trade below these, beyond these levels also. Now look at the stochastic on the 3-hour charts, oversold, hence a bounce back cannot be denied. MACD is wide and divergent, probably it may try to converge. RSI is near to bottom there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similarly on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, and indicating a breakout is expected. And if it trades about 12,900, do not forget to go long for 13,050, 13,150 plus levels also can be seen. Also look at the stochastic trading at oversold levels, hence the rise cannot be denied. MACD is wide divergent, convergence from here can be expected. RSI near to oversold levels. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you will find there is a strong support there at around 12,750 levels we can definitely find, and yes, only if it breaks this zone we may see a stronger drop. So for the day, if it drops below 12,750, yes, you can go short, then it will break 12,500 also. Look at this, after this retracement, this is the first red candle, hence the second red candle cannot be denied. If even if it tries to achieve 13,000, 13,100 levels, we may see it dropping again, and yes, below 12,750 we may see a sharper drop. And yes, if you look at the daily stochastic, it is looking downwards, indicating a possible bearish move. And if you look at the MACD, it is again on sell. RSI is near to oversold. So considering this, yes, beyond 12,900 you can go long for 13,040, 13,100, 13,180 levels. This is possible, and we can see a wide swing today. Possibly, if even if it tries to achieve till the time it is below 13,200, we can again expect it to drop towards 12,800, and then below 12,750 we can expect a sharper drop which will take it towards 12,500 levels. So again, possibly wide swings can be expected. And yes, more bearishness is only once it is below 12,750 levels. Below that, the target is towards 12,650, 12,600 and 12,500. In fact, it can try to hit 12,500 directly towards below, once it is below 12,750 levels. On the flip side, 13,200 can be achieved, and from there also you can expect a drop. So those are the highs where you can try to enter a short, plus minus 100 points you can always keep. Beyond that, it will again try to go towards 13,500. Trade with caution, trade with stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US 30 getting the support here at 32,900. Always have told that 32,900 is a good support, and yes, with that as support, if it breaks this zone today, probably we may see it coming to 32,500. Also look at this, lower highs are been seen. If you see it trading beyond 33,050, yes, you can go long there, and one can expect that it may try to hit on the upside 33,300 again, and then 33,500 can also be seen if it breaks this zone. On the downside, if it breaks 32,900 and trades below that successfully, we may expect 32,700, 32,500 and below levels can also be expected. And if you look at the 2-hour stochastic looking upwards, indicating little bullish move, MACD trying to converge, RSI near to oversold zone. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, if you look at the 3-hour charts, lower highs are being seen and flatter bottom is being seen, trying to consolidate. Only if it breaks and sustains below 32,900 you can definitely go long. It will try to hit 32,800, 32,600, 32,500 can also be expected. In fact, it can drop below these levels. Beyond 33,050 you can go long for 33,150, 33,300 and plus levels. Similar is the observation. See, stochastic to 3-hour stochastic trading oversold, MACD trading white divergent, trying to converge from here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, similarly lower highs, higher lows are being seen, and probably a breakout is expected. It may try to go back till towards 33,300, 33,500 zone. My expectation, it may try to give you a bullish breakout. The stochastic is trading at bottom, and MACD is still in red, wide and divergent, indicating more bearishness. RSI is at comfort zones. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, yes, once it sustains below 32,900, then you can go short. My target below 32,900 is definitely going to be 32,800 and 32,500. It may try to in fact break 32,500 zone this time, and can give you equal size of candle, almost 1000 points, cannot be denied. It can go till towards 32,400, 32,200 levels. In fact, it can drop well below those levels also. Anything is possible. These are markets. Look at the stochastic, it is trying to cross over for a sell. Look at the MACD, it is trying to converge, and RSI is near to oversold zone. So considering this, once you see it trading below 32,900, you can go short, and rather I will say you can go short at 32,850. Below that you can expect it to hit 32,750, 32,600, 32,500, and below that we may see a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 32,280 and 32,000 levels also. Anything is possible. These are markets. On the other side, if it trades beyond 33,050, there you can go long. The target is 33,180, 33,300. In fact, 33,500 can be expected. So only trade as per the levels. Do not think that I am bullish so it will go bullish. Do not think that I am bearish so it will go bearish. Markets are beyond you and me. Trade as per levels, trade as per stop loss. So this is all for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Similar is the story with Germany 40, lower highs and flatter bottom. 13,800 is the level below which I will expect. So Germany 40, lower highs and flatter bottom, indicating probable consolidation. If you see it trading below 13,800, go short. If you see it trading above 13,900, go long. Above 13,900, I will again expect it to hit 14,000, and then 14,050, 14,100 levels definitely may provide a little resistance. Look at the 2-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD trying to converge. Probably we may see couple green candles. RSI is near to oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, flatter bottom, indicating a breakout can be expected. And that is why I say 13,800 go short, 13,900 go long. Very simple it appears. And yes, stochastic trading at oversold zone. MACD is trading wide divergent, indicating probable bearishness, but it can try to converge, and hence couple of green candles cannot be denied. RSI near to oversold zone, and that is why I say long above 13,900 for sure, because this is trading at bottom. But look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it is trying to create a step out there, and yes, only long entry above 13,900, only short entry below 13,800. Below 13,800 you can expect it may give sharper red candles which will try to bring it towards 13,650, and below that 13,500. So on the 4-hour chart, it appears it is trying to create steps out there, and yes, with these as a step, it may try to drop towards the cash session. Why I am saying so? So look at this. See, only breakout or reversal is above 13,900 for sure, but right now look at the body size, it is increasing, and hence it may try to come back here, and then a sharp red candle, a breakout candle can be expected in the Germany or Europe cash market, where it may try to go back till towards 13,650. 13,500 can also be expected. We can expect a sharper drop if it continues to trade above below these levels. At the same time, go long above 13,900. That is the reversal. Probably we will be looking at 13 or 14,100 levels if it continues to trade above 13,900. Look at the MACD. It is trying to reverse from here, trying to cross over, trading oversold, and MACD is wide divergent. But this is just third red candle, fourth red candle. Hence, we can still expect a few further drop. That is what it is showing here. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, omega 4 pattern, a reversal. So this is the reversal candle. Now this is first candle, and the pivot right now, if you see, lower highs have been seen, higher highs have been seen, lower lows have been seen. So the pivot is right now at around 14,150 levels. It may try to come back till towards these levels. If it continues to trade above 13,800 level, we may see it going towards 14,100, 150 zone, and from there we'll see how it behaves there, and the market will decide its shape. However, once it trades below 13,800, Once it's trade below 13800, directly it might land to 13650, 13600, and then below 13500 levels can also be expected. Daily stochastic again looking downwards, vertical decline there. MACD trying to cross over here and looking on the bearish side. RSI is comfortable. So the verdict is very clear on Germany 40. Go long above 13900. Target is 13050. 14050, 14100, 14180 levels. On the downside, if it breaks 13800, you can go short for 13650, 600 and 13500. Any move above and below 13500 and 14200 is a bonus there. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. Bank of England increased the interest rates, and that is why the reversal there, along with all the major central banks replicating the same, and higher highs and lower lows have been seen throughout this day here. 7650 is what somewhere it is getting a resistance, and it is almost the double top which we have seen here on FTSE 100, but lower highs, you can see lower highs. So the high for FTSE 100 is done. On the same time, yes, there is a support here at 7460, 7440 zone. So if you see it trading below 7440, there you can go short. Then you can expect it to drop till towards 7400, 7380, and below that we may see it dropping sharply. Daily charts, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is still trading in sell, and RSI is comfortable there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts there, on the 4-hour charts, see consolidation and a breakout is expected. So if it breaks out below 7460, in fact you can go short. Below 7460 you can expect that probably 7440 is the next target, and then 7400 can be expected. On the same time, if you see it trading above 7500, here you can go long for 7520, 7540, 7560 levels. And 4-hour stochastic almost oversold. MACD white divergent and still in sell. RSI near to oversold zones. Similarly, if you look at 3-hour charts, 3-hour charts is also trying to give you lower highs, higher lows, indicating a breakout is expected. 7500 is the level beyond which you can go long for 7520, 40, 60 and above levels. At the same time, stochastic is oversold. MACD is white divergent, must converge, and hence greener candles can be expected. RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, the display is same. So considering this, I will recommend you to go long at 7500. I will recommend you to go long at 7460. In between these 40 points, do not trade below 7460. The target is towards 7400. First support 7440, then 7400 and 7380. On the upside, if it breaks 7500, we may see 7520, 7540 and 7560 giving it a very strong resistance. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and channel IDs are mentioned in the description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May, and you can be part of my VIP signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading there. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you.